Hey people, well I just thought I'd do a video showing my newest acquisition. This is another Windsor model C-122. This is the earlier 1960s version, which as you can see has the all metal grills, older style cabinet, and the round metal handle. I'd say it's from early to mid 60s since it has that style handle. And just like the other one, it's on a little tilt stand. The reason I got this is because fellow user Rusty Baron 45 wanted my other one, as that's a childhood fan. So I got this one to replace it. And I really think this would really add more variety to my set of Lakewood mini boxers. So we'll have an overall look at this and we'll fire it up. I have to go about it like this. It's a tight area. It's one side. Has a few marks here and there. And there's the other side. Turn around to the back. And like most of these earlier Lakewood mini boxers, probably till about 1975, this one has the GE motor just like the other one does. Turn back around. Here's a close-up of the earlier style handle. I think in the later on in the mid 60s I go to the square shaped handle, which the earlier version was also metal. And it's probably late 60s I went to the plastic version. And it's still got the same style speed dial. And this has the older style black sticker. Probably also from the early to mid 60s. And then like later in the mid 60s I went to the white version. And just like all 12-inch boxers, this is a 2-speed. And we get a shot of the center badge. Has the Windsor name with the castle in the background. The thing is, with these earlier ones they did this. But even the later ones, which just had the name on the grill, and they'd still have that design on their boxes. So now we'll run it. Here's high. And this is a very smooth run too. So it's pretty much just like my other one. Seems to run more like medium. Both the speeds on this run kind of fast. Back high. And as always, go to the left, spells off. And there you have it. This is my early to mid 1960s Windsor made by Lakewood, model C-122 12-inch 2-speed box fan. Thank you for watching.